Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Malasi and I am a positional investor and trader. This is the first time I'm sharing my trading ideas through video, so hopefully you guys will like it. Um, I would request you to share, like, and subscribe the channel. And if you find value in the content, then would also request you to share it with your friends and family so that they can also reap benefits through these videos. And why I say that do subscribe it so that you don't miss out on the videos that I'll be sharing in future. Um, yeah. In this video, I'll be talking about Bank Nifty and some of its allied FNO stocks, and I'll share my view of upcoming week and yeah. So let's go to the chart without wasting any more time. Um, so this is a Bank Nifty hourly chart. Before I progress further, let me just remind you guys that my levels are all spot and cash levels. So just keep that in mind, right? So um, Bank Nifty has been rallying quite well, and those who have been following me through my Telegram channel or through Twitter, they would know that I've been kind of advocating them to buy the dips for Bank Nifty because I said that. Bank Nifty would make new highs, right, and a new all-time high as well. So it's been kind of it has been kind of working quite well for us for the time being. So let's see how it goes in the coming week as well. So if you see over here, it has rallied quite well, right? From here, if you see, from almost 29,600 level, it has gone towards here, right? 36,600 levels, and then since couple of days, it's been consolidating in this area, right? Now, what uh, here we can notice is that this level, right, 35,400 level has been acting as a support for the time being. Now, I would suggest that we can take small risk and kind of, as I've mentioned over here as well, that like keeping the early closing, the stop loss as early closing below 35,400, and we can go long, right? And like based on your risk appetite, you can either short puts or buy calls, up to you. But what I would also kind of draw your attention to is that we might see a freak low, right? And I would love that if it comes. We might see a freak low towards this level, and if it does, I would suggest that you buy there as well, right? Obviously, if that happens, our stop loss, if anyone would have entered in the morning, then yes, our stop loss will hit over here. Hopefully, but if it is sort of a free low within an hour, then no, right? But yeah, I would suggest to add over here as well in this area, and then if it touches over here, the stop loss would be below 34,300. Yeah, but again, if it comes towards 34,650, 34,500 levels, I think it would be a very good area to add. Mm. I would personally love if it kind of makes a dip and comes around this zone, right? So this is what I am looking as a targets. I'm hoping it will kind of by next week. Hopefully, it will cross 37,000 and towards 38,000 and so on, and probably more than that as well, right? So Yeah, and these are the levels that I have shared. So you would also see it's also kind of forming a flag pattern here as well, right? So yeah, so let's see, until we see a freak low being made tomorrow. um, but this would be a plan to kind of find entries or to buy dips so that it goes up, right? So that is our plan. Now I would also kind of next in Bank Nifty, let's talk about ICICI Bank. Again, I'll show you the hourly chart as well. Again, it has rallied um, over here, you will see, and then over in this area, it's been kind of consolidating for last couple of days. Um, Again, as I mentioned, we might see a dip, and if it comes, I think it should come up till here, 624, right? That is my guessing. But if it does, right, I think if it comes, then it will come till this level, right? Hopefully, if there is a freak low. And yeah, so this is the second possibility of a freak low. Again, we would look for opportunities to go long, right? As of now, if we are seeing this chart as of now, then if you see, it has just kind of given an early close above this trend line over here, and hopefully it gets it maintains it, right? So yes, as per this chart, as of now, we can buy up to 624 with keeping 621 as the stop loss. Once it crosses above this zone, right, 634 zone, it will add momentum. So I've just kind of mentioned here as well, these are the targets that I'm looking for. These targets that I'm sharing could be used to de-risk your positions or add, up to you, based on your risk appetite, right? um, um, Beyond 732, 735, we'll have to reevaluate the positions, right? So up to you how you want to play it, up till when you want to play it, right? Next, after ICICI Bank, I would like to talk about SBIN. Again, I've been sharing ICICI Bank, SBIN in my Telegram channel as well to go along, and it's been kind of playing very well. It has given a very good breakout outside this zone, right? 374 to 370, this zone. Though it gave kind of, it crossed it via gap up, so obviously there's a big gap over here that needs to be filled, right? But yeah, but again, if you notice over here, this level, 388 level, is being kind of acting as a support for the time being. Again, you would consider this as a flag pattern being created on the early chart, but yeah, so as of now, 388 is the support zone, 388 to 385, right? Though personally, I would love if I see a dip tomorrow, probably towards this zone, right? The retest of this breakout zone, and there probably I'll definitely buy, right, for it to move here up. Yeah. So again, levels mentioned, play according to the way it opens tomorrow and observe the price action in the first hour. But yeah, the plan is to buy the dips, right? The next one, after SBIN, I'd like to draw your attention to INDUSINDBK. Now this one again, been asking to for us to go long over here. Again, you would see a flag pattern being made, right? It's again kind of finding some support over here, though. I mean, for this one as well, I have mentioned over here 983 to 972 zone. If I get it somewhere around here, I would love to add it over here, right? Here, adding it at current price would add a bit of risk unless and until it sustains above this zone, right? Above 1037 zone. If it sustains above this zone, then it's altogether a different thing. Then probably, yeah, if you see, then this and or 1020 levels and 1016 levels would become your support zone if it kind of sustains above 1037 levels, right? But as of now, we'll see if it kind of touches 983 974 zone. If it does, good enough. Else we'll see if it kind of sustaining over here. We can kind of look at buying above 1037 as well, with keeping a stop loss below here, right, below this level. Yeah. Okay. After INDUSINDBK, we'll look at IDFC. Yeah. Again, I had shared this in my Telegram channel, plus in Twitter as well. So we have been kind of long and maintained a long position for quite some time on this script as well, but today it has closed above this high, right, to this previous swing high 52.45. So hopefully it maintains this maintains above this resistance zone, which now has which has now been turned into a support zone, right? So if it holds 52.45 levels, then this is what we are kind of levels that I'm looking for as a target. Again, keep 51.4 as your early close stop loss. Else, if it makes a dip, we would need to see if it opens below this level 52.45, then probably it may go and test 51.4 zone and so on, right? So yeah, that needs to be seen on the opening side. So these were the scripts that I just wanted to talk about in this video. Hopefully you guys like the video and the content of it, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe so that you don't miss on any future videos as well. Thank you. Bye. See you.